This video was sponsored by Enhance, NeoWatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Alright, we're back home. Let's take a look at the result. You see, the EV4 was right on par with the EV3. I mean, they are more like brothers and sisters, right? From the same mother. Yeah, just slight variation there, but then the EV3 was actually on summer tires, whereas the EV4 was on winter tires. So yeah, weight, yeah, more or less the same weight. So not much to say there. 7.5 seconds, that's kind of slow for an EV, but okay, whatever. I'm gonna get complaints now. But then when it comes to noise here, almost 66 decibel average. Well, see, this was on winter tires, and the EV3 was on summer tires. So the Hankook, the summer tires are in general noisier. And that's why you see around 2 decibel more noise. Like 7 versus. How was it again? 66, a little bit over 1 decibel average higher, yeah. But I mean, overall, seems like the EV4 and the EV3, they are quite similar. The only difference, actually, the biggest difference is the efficiency on the EV4. But then we also have to check out eventually the banana box test. How much space do we have in the EV4 versus EV3? But at least for now, I would take the EV4 any day over the EV3. So that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.